Hey guys, today I'm taking you with me to my very first meeting with Mount Etna. We'll drive up the volcano, catch an epic sunset, and even explore some lava caves. Honestly, it felt like another planet, and I can't wait to show you these cosmic landscapes. Hope you enjoy it. Let's go. I've always dreamed of climbing Mount Etna, the highest active volcano in Europe. And when I saw those cheap tickets to Catania, I was like, okay, this is my chance. Getting to the volcano without a car is basically impossible. There's only one bus a day. It leaves in the morning and comes back at 4 p.m. So, how do you catch the sunset? I decided to take a tour with the transfer from Catania by car. The ride took just over an hour. Our first stop was a volcanic cave formed by one of Etna's eruptions. Inside it was cool, and our guide told us about the different minerals hidden in the walls. The tunnel was so huge you could actually live in there, but honestly, it felt a bit spooky in the dark. Oh my god, it felt so good to finally climb up here, surrounded by this stunning volcanic landscape. Then we made it to Rifugio Sapienza, the station on Etna where the cable cars start. We walked around the Silvestri craters, and wow, those craters and the views around them felt totally otherworldly, like something straight off Mars. Our next stop was an open air church, and after that, we continued our journey under the setting sun. The colors of nature were absolutely stunning. We even came across a group of guys who were filming a music video in this beautiful mountain scenery. And then our guide let us taste this plant. To me, it was kind of like sorrel, but I totally forgot the name. We even spotted some wild mountain garlic. Of course, I only tried everything after the guide, just to be safe. So that was the end of my very first encounter with Mount Etna. Next time, I really want to go higher, all the way up to 3,000 meters right to the crater itself.